are welcome in the Avyakti Parivar, and today is day 36 for Avyakti Blessings. So now we'll listen to Mohini Didi.
Om Shanti.
Om Shanti. Baba reminds us every day. So, like Baba, there is no other teacher, no other Satguru who reminds every day, who teaches us every day. There is no day when we don't receive teachings from Baba. So we are also such children of Baba.
बाबा के हम भी वैसे ही हमारे बाबा हैं.
So we are also like our Father. So he teaches us every day. We are here learning every day. So we receive blessings from Baba. We receive teachings as teacher from Baba, and we receive blessings from Satguru. So like in scriptures also, like Gita, they just read it every day. But here, it's so sweet that Baba sends us the Murli every day. It's different. Nowadays, it's coming through internet, but still, every 2 weeks, you receive the Murli of every 2 weeks. Some says, oh, okay, it's the same repetition. We can also read it. But no, Baba has made such good system. In early days, it used to come by post, but nowadays it's coming through internet. But every day, different Murli. So we are so blessed. So in today's blessing, it was all about renouncement. So Baba was sharing about renouncing. So if we go into the depth of this, why Baba tell us about this, how to renounce? So do I still have something that I say mine, I and my? So Mama used to tell us, listen to the Murli. Don't listen in the awareness that I know this point. Just listen to the Murli in the awareness that how much I am imbibing. Check yourself, how much I am imbibing. Check your chart. So when you will check yourself, when you will check your chart, then there is the significance of Murli. And then whatever changes you need in yourself, like Mama, till last day, she was listening to Murli. So some used to ask Mama, Mama, why you listen to the Murli? You know the whole knowledge. So Mama used to tell, no, I just want to check myself that if there is anything that I have not imbibed yet. So we all should listen to the Murli with the awareness that how much I am imbibing. Is there anything that still I have not imbibed that I have to imbibe? So today's Murli, the blessing is for today is it's about renouncing I and mine.
सदा सेवा में खोए रहने वाले त्याग मूरत सेवाधारी।
So may you be an image of renunciation and a server who renounces the consciousness of I and remains constantly lost in
सेवाधारी
service.
सेवा में सफलता की
So
अनुभूति तभी कर सकते
a
हैं।
server will be able to experience success in service.
सेवाधारी
A
सेवा में
server will be able to experience success in service
मैंपन का
when
त्याग
he
हो।
has renounced the consciousness of I. When he has
मैं सेवा करता
renounced the
हूँ,
consciousness of I am doing service,
मैंने सेवा की,
I have done this service.
इस सेवा का भी त्याग, इस भाव
Renounce
का भी त्याग चाहिए,
even this
इस
feeling of doing
इस
service.
भाव का भी त्याग चाहिए।
So feeling of doing service, just renounce even that.
मैंने नहीं की,
I didn't do it,
परंतु लेकिन मैं
but I am
करणहार हूँ,
I am
करणहार
Karanhar, one
बाबा
who
हूँ,
does, and the
मैं
father is the
करणहार हूँ,
Kara Baba, the father is
करावनहार।
Karavanhar, one who inspires.
एक नई युक्ति बाबा बता रहे
So
हैं,
this is a new
अपने
method
आप को
how to renounce the
बाबा के
consciousness of
लव में
I.
विलीन कर दो।
Just merge yourself in Father's love.
मैंपन
Let
में
the consciousness of
विलीन
I become merged
कर
in the
दो।
Father's love. So this is a new method that Baba is telling us today. Consciousness of I
इसको
merged in
कहते
Father's
हैं
love.
सेवा में
This is
सदा
known as
खोए
being
रहने वाले।
constantly lost in service. This is known as being constantly
सेवा में
lost
सदा
in
खोने
service.
वाले त्यागी
Lost in
मूरत
service.
सच्चे
Being an image
सेवाधारी।
of renunciation and a true server.
कराने वाला करा रहा है,
The one who is
हम मैं
inspiring me is making me do it, and I'm just an instrument.
सेवा में मैंपन मिक्स होना,
To have the consciousness of I,
मैंपन
to
मिक्स
have the
होना
consciousness of I
अर्थात
mixed with
मोह
doing
का बनना,
service means to be dependent.
अर्थात मोहत्व का
Means
बनना।
to be dependent. If I'm mixing the consciousness of I in service, then it means
सच्चे
to be dependent.
सेवाधारी में
A
ये
true
सारा संस्कार
server
नहीं होते।
does not have those
सच्चे
sanskars.
सेवाधारी में ये
A true
संस्कार नहीं
server
होते।
does not have those sanskars.
फिर आज का स्लोगन है,
And today's
वेस्ट
slogan
को
is
समाप्त कर दो,
finish all
जब
waste
सेवा की ऑफर सामने से आए,
and offers of service will come in front of you. Finish all waste and offers of service will come in
तो
front
अब
of
तो
you.
नेगेटिव की तो बात नहीं रही है ना।
So now there should be no question of any negative thought, but waste.
व्यर्थ जो है वो भीतर
Sometimes
आ
waste
जाता है।
comes.
मेरा
Sometimes.
मतलब कि जो
So what do you
नेगेटिव
mean by waste? Waste meaning something that is not important, not needed.
किसी भी कारण से,
Any reason, for any reason,
अगर हम पूरी तरह से चार्ट
if
देखें
we look at our chart thoroughly,
तो बाबा कहते हैं कि
completely,
व्यर्थ का कनेक्शन
so
मैंपन से है,
Baba says the connection of waste is
और
with
पूरी
I
तरह से
and mind.
मैंपन मिट जाए
So if we want to remove the consciousness of
तब
I
बोलेंगे करेंगे,
completely, if
करावन
I
हार
just
बाबा
remember
बता
that
रहे हैं।
Father is Karavanhar, the one who inspires is
कई
Baba.
बार ऐसा भी लगता है कि क्या
Sometimes we do
कोई
feel,
ऐसा सेवा क्या हम कर
is
सकते
there
हैं
any service that I cannot do? Like we feel for
जिसके
service,
उत्तर
oh, I
में
cannot do it.
करने की योग्यता है,
Sometimes,
पर
oh,
कई बार
I am
ये
doing
व्यर्थ
this
सेवा
service.
है।
Or sometimes we feel, oh, am I capable of doing
तो
this
उस समय
service?
ये याद रखो,
So
करवाने
at
वाला
that time,
करवाएगा।
just remember that Karavanhar will do
ये
this through
स्लोगन
me.
याद रखना
So just remember this slogan
कि
for
करवाने
yourself,
वाला हमें करवाएगा।
that Karavanhar is doing everything
ये
and he will
संकल्प
make
को
me
बाबा
do it.
रखेंगे,
So when you will remember this, that he is
बाबा
doing everything, Baba is
उसी
doing
समय बताते
everything,
रहेंगे।
then Baba will inspire you
आपने
for
भी
a
कभी ये
bigger
अनुभव किया
service.
होगा, जरूर
You
किया
you
होगा।
all must have experienced this for sure that if we renounce the consciousness of I, this is very important. This is very, if Baba is making me instrument, just be in the awareness that Baba is making me instrument. So it's not even the question of becoming an instrument. Baba is doing everything. So the more I think about this, the more I think, oh, I still have some consciousness of I in subtle, do I feel in a subtle way? I and I. If I renounce that, that consciousness of I, that means it's a true service. And think about this, service is just service. If you are serving through mind, serving through body, serving through wealth, this every service is service. You can serve through drishti also. So every service, like we say, serving through your mind, body and wealth, all three type of seva, all three type of service. So what else is in our life? Anything else do we have to do? No, only service. Where will you go outside for vacation? Where will you go? You will do service, just service, the feeling of service, right? So the feeling of service and success in service. So your feeling should, so for that, renounce the consciousness of I. Okay, Om Shanti.